What's up, Twitch and possibly YouTube? Considering posting this playthrough on YouTube. Started developing my YouTube channel. Today we are playing this game that I found on the Game Pass that recently just came out called Rain World. It's an Adult Swim game. Don't know jack shit about it. I'm just honestly here to just give it a look. Interesting. Alright. Hopefully, like, this game's actually good. I mean, it looks nice. I like the art style. Is it just gonna show pictures? Or is this like a loading screen or something? I really don't know what I'm looking at right now. It's just like a bunch of little white rabbit ferret force creature thingamajigs. Oh shit. Oh damn. No. Well, that's sad. Lost your family. You're all alone. And wherever the fuck this is. Rain World. Oh yeah, it's Rain World. That's where it is. We're in Rain World. Wherever the fuck that is. Oh. Okay. That's the map. Okay, the jump's very... What the fuck? You are hungry, find food. I don't know how to feel about the character. Why is he moving like... What the fuck is that? Weird. Oh. My god, dude. What the fuck are those things? It's so weird. Oh wait, there's another one up there. There's another one all the way up there. I didn't even notice. What the fuck is happening? I'm so confused. Oh shit. Kinda cute though. Just a wee bit. Oh, okay, they're pussies. Alright, where the fuck am I? Oh, damn. The fuck? Hold on. Rain is coming, find shelter. Stay here to hibernate. Um, okay. I don't know, it's... Game is very vague with details. I don't know, I like the weird rap. I'm good. So far, I'm gonna be honest, this game isn't impressing me an awful lot. Just gonna be honest. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of depth as of right now. But I'm not gonna speak too early. I mean, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh my god, that was gross. Okay. What the fuck? What was that? Oh my god, he came back. Leave me alone. Yeah, get down there, fucker. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god. I can go up there. Oh, there's another one. Shit. Get the fuck off of me. Oh, shit. Alright, so no more fighting the fucking monsters, because they're sturdy as fuck. Alright, well, guess I'm going through here. Do I have one of these birds in my hand? Dude, what's up with this yellow guy that's always following me? I'm still trying to figure this shit out. What the fuck? What could be over here? Nothing good. Oh shit, he's following me. Run! 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 Holy shit. Get the fuck out of here. Still got all my equipment. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Don't hurt me. Look at... Oh my god. You dropped on me. Oh shit. Get down. Get down. Yeah, you can't climb, dumbass. Oh. Oh my. What the fuck is that? Are you joking? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Get the fuck out of here. You see, those fuckers are no joke. Okay, you know what? Come on. I go walk along the tightrope. Jesus. All I'm doing is just playing Minecraft. Can't go wrong with Minecraft. Oh my god. My little guy. Oh, I'm supposed to go there. What the fuck is that? Dude, what the fuck was that? Did you see that shit? What the fuck was that thing? I mean, it's gone now. But yeah, all these monsters can crawl in these vents like I can, so... Oof. Oh my god. Oh shit, it sees me. Climb! Got him. Nice. Yeah, that sack of shit vine got me last time. I didn't even know it was a like an animal. Oh, they're fighting each other. Are they? Oh shit, he's trying to go for me. Run! Fucking played him. Oh shit! Oh my god, how did I not die? I just ate shit. Oh wow, now you want me to go over there? No, no! Fucking asshole, he almost got me. That was another one of those hiding vines. Oh, it's another hibernation spot. Nice. Alright, and hibernation's like checkpoints, from what I could tell. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have mushrooms? I'm gonna trip balls. Oh, I think I had to. Oh, shit. Okay, this is not good. Am I in slow motion right now? Why the fuck? I think my guy's actually on drugs. Holy shit. Yeah, he's slow. Are these mushrooms bad? Oh my Christ. Suck a dick. Suck a dick. Suck a dick. Suck a dick. Ooh, jump. Okay, nice. No, 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 no. Oh my god, they climb. Go, 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 go! Get in there! You fucking dipshit. Why?